Keeping up with our motto that learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure, here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students! Today we are going to start with Class 7 Science, Chapter 5 Food Safety. Figure shows different types of food that we consume in our day-to-day life. This food is made from different food material like wheat, jawar, pulses, rice, vegetable, fruits, etc. We get different types of nutrients from these food products. There are main 5 types of nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Apart from this, we also need fiber and water in proper amount for the proper growth of our body. However, what will happen if these food materials are infested by insects or spoiled in any way? As shown in the picture, sometimes fruits or their skin turn black. Some foodstuffs give out a foul or a bad odor. Such foodstuffs are not suitable for us to eat. Food is said to be spoiled if there is a change in its color, odor, texture, quality, taste, and there is a loss of its nutrient content. So let us see what are the different factors that are responsible for food spoilage. Sometimes the naturally available food materials, they are spoiled if they are not transported properly. So improper transportation leads to food spoilage. Food may also get spoiled because of improper storage. If the foodstuff is stored near the areas where there is water content like damp places, so there are chances that these food may get spoiled. Food may also get spoiled if it is not properly handled, as shown in this picture. And the last one is, if the food is infested by insects, then also it may get spoiled. As shown in the picture, different foodstuffs, they may get spoiled due to chemical reactions on contact with metals or due to the contamination by microorganisms or insects from the surrounding air. Here, milk and milk products, meat and seafood, they get destroyed because of the chemical reaction on contact with the metals. They are either acidic or alkaline in nature. While the cooked food or the leftovers and the fruit and vegetable, they may contaminate by the microorganisms or the insects from the surrounding air, water or soil. Now let us see the factors that are responsible for food wastage. The very first one is quantitative wastage of food. Now the word itself indicates quantitative means the quantity. Quantitative wastage of food means when the food is wasted in large amount of quantity. Let us see with the help of example. Wrong methods of farming like hand sowing of seeds, inadequate threshing, improper storage and wrong methods of distribution. These are few of the examples which leads to quantitative wastage of food. Besides, much food is wasted as a result of custom of offering and serving too much of food to guests at traditional feasts or banquets. Had it not been wasted, all this food could have met the need of many others. Now, let us see the qualitative wastage of food. Now again, from the word qualitative, it is very clear that the quality of the food is getting deteriorated. Let us see with the help of example. Now, when we overcook some food, it leads to the destruction of its nutritional value. So ultimately the quality is destroyed. So overcooking leads to the food wastage. Here the quality of the food is destroyed. Next is washing the vegetables after cutting it. When you wash the vegetables after chopping or cutting them, the nutritional value is destroyed because the minerals and vitamins from the vegetables or fruits, they are getting lost along with the water. They are getting washed away with the water. And the last is excessive use of food preservatives. Food preservatives are the substances that are used to preserve the food for a longer duration. We will discuss food preservatives later on in the coming slides in detail. For now, just remember that preservatives are the substances which are added to the food so that they can be protected for a longer amount of time. Mostly packaged food, they contain this type of preservatives, which are chemical preservatives. There are natural preservatives also available, but in packaged food, mostly the chemical preservatives are added. So if these preservatives are used in excess amount, then the quality of the food is getting wasted. With the help of science and technology, India has shown great progress in the production of various foodstuffs like cereals, fruits, vegetables, fish, as well as milk and milk products. Even so, many people in our country and all over the world face the problem of hunger. Many do not get even one day meal. Hence, it is our duty to prevent wastage of food whenever it is possible. Now, let us see few measures to prevent food spoilage and wastage. Serve yourself only as much as you can eat, and eat all the food that you have served yourself. Avoid overcooking food because it destroys its quality as well as it leads to wastage. Avoid throwing away leftover food. Reuse it in a proper way. Avoid the temptation to make excessive purchase. Buy only as much grain, vegetable, fruits, milk, etc. as you need. Use proper method of storage of food grains, fruits, vegetable, milk, etc. And check the expiry date of the bottled, canned, packed food and use within that time only. This is all for today. Thank you so much.